In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a post on BeReal application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download BeReal application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have created your account or you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So here, let me just go and launch my BeReal application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So after launching the application, that will actually be your home screen. If you just created your account, you will necessarily, or you have to actually post a BeReal before start using the application. Because if you can see here, as you can see here, if I didn't post of your or if you deleted your BeReal, the discovery of the people will actually be hidden for you and you will not be able to see it. So let me just go back, and as you can see here in this tutorial, as we said, we would like to show you how to create a post. So it's simply by clicking at post at a BeReal, and of course if you want to turn on location, you can click as OK. For me, I'll click on no thanks, and here you'd like to take your BeReal. Of course, it will take two pictures, one with your front camera and one with your back camera. Then you would like to click at the flash, and here you can actually send it to your friends only or to everyone on the discovery. Of course, if you would like to share your position as well. For me, that is disabled because I didn't turn on my location. But if you did turn on your location, you can actually share your location as well. And of course, you can save this BeReal to your device. So if you want to save it, just allow BeReal to access photo, media, and files on your device, and you will be good to go. So of course, after all, you would like just to click at the flash at the bottom right corner, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.